Park Rangers. Today we're here at the Wildlife Prairie Park. Today we're talking about two of my favorite things, animals and hockey. One of my favorite teams is the Florida Panthers, and they're battling for the Stanley Cup. Today we're talking about the Florida Panthers. It's a subspecies of a puma. It can be called a cougar or a mountain lion. Fun fact number 1. It's the only puma that's found east of the Mississippi. It's mostly found in South Florida. Fun fact number 2. They're one of the most endangered mammals in the world. Only around 200 left. Fact number 3, they need to eat up to 50 large animals like deer in a year. Females and babies can eat twice as much. Fun fact number 4, they only live to be around 15 years old. Fact number 5, they can leap over 15 feet. Fun fact number 6, even though they're a big cat, they still act like a house cat than a lion. Fact number 7, they can't roar. Fun fact number 8, they hunt at night. They're really stealthy. Fun fact number 9, they have dark spots at birth. Fact number 10, they're not known to be aggressive to humans. Fun fact number 11, they are excellent swimmers. Thanks for joining me for the Panthers. See you next time.